What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. So 0.1, most people don't understand it. You might not understand it, and it shows. It shows by the comments that I see. And before we get into today's video, where I'm going to be talking today, I'm not going to have the whiteboard. So if you guys want to join me for this conversation, I would love it. Now, before we start, I want to say I apologize to each and every one of you that are subscribed, and even those that aren't subscribed that return to watch my videos. I've been very busy in my personal life, and today is something that I really hope you all take in. Now, I'm going to be talking about a little bit of what I'm doing in my personal life. However, it's not about me. It's about where the world is going. All right. Now, first, 0.1 Bitcoin at the time of recording this video is $6,595. All right. So around $65,000, $66,000. Now, it's been coming out that Jane Street has been manipulating the price of Bitcoin. And I don't know if you all have seen that. However, this is exactly what I've been telling you all for the longest time. Even when I was making videos, last month? And people in the comments I seen were saying that's not true. You know, it's not being manipulated. And look, there's always going to be some type of manipulation. All right. No matter if you have, for example, we have fiat currency, right? US dollars. It's being printed. That's manipulation. Gold and silver, right? That's manipulated. And whenever you have a currency, it's going to be manipulated in some type of way. Now, what I want to get at in this video is explaining to you all the misunderstanding that most everybody has about 0.1 Bitcoin. Now, right now, it is on a discount, right? $6,595, I said, okay? Is at the time of recording this video. Now, everybody should be doing whatever they can do, of course, legally. I'm not saying to go sell yourself on the side of the road or anything like that, but you should be doing everything that you possibly can. Sell whatever it is in your house in order to get to 0.1 Bitcoin. Now, I'm going to get into what I'm doing in my personal life a little bit, but where the world is going. Now, I don't know if you've all heard of the Claude bot, okay? Now, there's this thing called the Claude bot where people are basically going out and getting Mac minis, which you don't really need a Mac mini. You can do it on Windows if you know how to do it, but you're able to get a Claude bot, which is kind of like ChatGPT, okay? So Claude bot is a bot like a personal assistant, and under that bot, you can have basically like sub-agents, okay, of that bot. So what I'm going to do and what I'm building out is businesses around that. Now, if you've all noticed that maybe if you're into gold, if you're into silver, if you're into sports cards or Pokemon cards, right? The misconception that a lot of people have, or misconception that a lot of people have, and misunderstanding, whatever, is the fact that Bitcoin is not going to go anywhere. And so just look at the type of payments now that these places are accepting. So, for example, JM Bullion is a reputable coin dealer, all right? Bullion dealer, gold, silver, physical, okay? And so they accept Bitcoin. So you're going to pay in Bitcoin a commodity, as they're calling it, for another commodity, right? So ultimately, you really think that these bullion dealers are going to be accepting Bitcoin if they know, hey, this isn't going to go anywhere. It's going to go to zero. The world's not going to be on it. Now, they're not going to do that, especially how reputable JM Bullion is, okay? Now, there's sports cards businesses that accept Bitcoin. Now, the misconception that a lot of people don't understand is 0.1 Bitcoin is far greater to have and to get now than it will be in the future. Now, so what am I getting at with all of this? Now, what I was talking about in my personal life. So going into me building out businesses, I'm going to be building out these businesses And I'm going to be using these agents. So I'm going to have a marketing director. I'm going to be having a CEO, for example. I'm going to be having a content creator to market, right, the products. And then I'm going to have a products team. Okay. So I'm building these out, first business, and then I'm going to be integrating Bitcoin into this. Now, my suggestion to you all is to get to a place where you're understanding that the world is moving towards this. Now, I seen something. I don't know. Maybe one of you all can help me in the comments or help everybody else in a way on the community. But I know that MetaMask, for all of you that don't know, which is a hot wallet, right? It's online, I believe. I used to use it when I was trading NFTs, all right? Which, for those of you who don't know, it's a non-fungible token, which is like basically like a picture on the blockchain, okay? So you can download it and you can put it on a browser as an extension, okay? So from my understanding, they are making it to where I believe they have a debit card coming out now. So you have to think, as companies start doing this, and we're going towards the Bitcoin standard, people are accepting Bitcoin. The thing with that is that there's going to be more demand, okay? And once we get into 2028, the other halving, where there's not going to be as much Bitcoin being able to be mined, right? So, and all the Bitcoin is almost mined. So you have to understand that this is the way the world is going. Now, what does that mean for 0.1 Bitcoin holders? Now, for 0.1 Bitcoin holders, that means that when Bitcoin gets to 1 million, you have $100,000 that you can borrow against. You can get a house. Another one that you can do is like, hey, well, I can start a business, right? I can start a business with this. Now, a lot of people are going to say, don't do this, but I'm saying that this is the misconception that a lot of people don't understand, that you can borrow against your 0.1 Bitcoin. Now, if we hit, right, if we hit a $5 million Bitcoin, which is going to happen, when it's going to happen, I don't know. However, I think by the next 2 decades, we're going to at least see $5 to $10 million Bitcoin, which I know is a long time, right? But it could be very sudden, like the internet. And that's what we're seeing now, is Bitcoin is acting just like the adoption of the internet, where a lot of people didn't use it, and all of a sudden everybody just started using it. And that's the same exact thing with Bitcoin. Now, why do I always harp on you all to get to 0.1 Bitcoin? Is because it's affordable if you dollar cost average and you're only making 40, 50, 60K, and it's not some pipe dream that I'm selling you all. It's if you are consistent and you can dollar cost average and ignore everything else, which I need to make a separate video about things that will definitely get in the way of your goal of getting to 0.1 Bitcoin, all right? Which I really need to make that for you all. But the caveat here is that there's going to be things that entice you to get away from being able to stack that 0.1 Bitcoin. So for example, like I said, I'm going to make another separate video, but for example, going out to eat, another thing is that you might see something that you want, and just all of a sudden you might look back even now and be like, man, you have regret because you know you could have saved money, and you look back on your previous years like, dang, if I saved, there's so much money that I don't even know what happened to it, where it went. I hear a lot of stories like that all the time. Like when people reach out to me on email saying that, Mr. Bitcoin Maxi, I regret so much the amount of money that I wasted over the years. I'd have 1 Bitcoin, even in 1 year, I only make $100,000. But if I was disciplined the way I'm living, I'm spending my money aimlessly on stuff that I don't even see it in my house, and it's gone. And so you all have to understand that 0.1 Bitcoin is going to represent a lot more than you all even understand. Because when we get to a $5 million Bitcoin, $10 million Bitcoin, right? Then your capital to be able to borrow against is going to be well off, even if you don't have good credit, right? Say your credit's really bad, you have to wait 7 years, okay, for things to fall off your credit, even if you pay it, right? If they don't delete your stuff on the credit report, say, hey, I'm going to pay this off. Yeah, it looks good, but it's still a negative item on your credit report. So if they won't delete it, you're going to have to wait 7 years. Well, the thing is that credit is everything to do with our lives. But in the future, what I really foresee is going to happen is that you're going to be able to borrow against your Bitcoin, which you can do now, but you're going to be able to walk into the bank and take a loadout against your Bitcoin, all right? And so if you have 0.1 Bitcoin, you're going to be in a far greater place in the world and have access to borrowing against capital that a lot of other people aren't going to be able to have, all right? Now, if you're still with me, because I know I can ramble, but if you're still with me, please, 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 please do yourself a favor and just try to understand how AI works, because I want you all, I care about each and every one of you, especially here that has stuck with me from the community. You know, I get so many companies that are reputable saying, please sell this, we'll pay you hundreds of dollars to promote this in your videos, and I don't do it because anything happens to those companies, then it wouldn't just come back on me, but it would also be on you guys. And so the only thing I could tell you all is to be consistent, be patient, but understand that you need to try and maximize your cash flow, because right now AI is going to take over, and like the world, especially the military, I was trained to adapt to whatever things are happening around me, and AI is happening. So for me, I'm adapting to this. I'm going to be building out a lot of businesses. First, I'm going to start with one, of course, and get that up and running. I'm going to be taking Bitcoin payments through it. And then that's a way to maximize my Bitcoin cash flow and being able to stack, right? And then I don't have to pay any employees. But what I'm trying to get you all to understand is that this is the way that the world is going. So please do yourself a favor and study how to use AI, how to make AI agents, and think of a business idea that you've always wanted to start, all right? And so you ultimately have a chance to stack Bitcoin, maximize your cash flow, but you have to understand that the job that you're in right now is most likely going to be replaced by AI. So whatever you can do to get to that 0.1 Bitcoin that a lot of people say is meaningless, I'm telling you all, not a lot of people are going to be able to afford that when they lose their jobs here in the next couple years. And so by the end of the year, I really